Storm Team 29 forecast.
What a difference a few hours can make. Hello, I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. This was the view at dawn from downtown Charlottesville. As I talked about this morning, just give it a few hours and the weather pattern was definitely going to change. Around 2 o'clock, we saw the clouds billow on up. We had not one, not two, not three, but 4 showers that passed on by. The heaviest came across the area around 5 o'clock or so, only producing less than 1/4 of an inch of rain, but at least we got some rainfall. It was needed because it has been quite some time since the city picked up a decent amount of rainfall. Now, most areas miss out on showers and storms for your Monday and Tuesday. Currently, temperatures are pleasant in the 60s and the 70s. Rain cooled across most of the area, and we will dip on down to the mid and upper 60s area wide over the next few hours into tomorrow morning. Radar recap shows those storms blossoming over the Blue Ridge Mountains and the Shenandoah Valley, moving their way from southwest to the northeast. And we did pick up a pretty good amount of rainfall over the heart of the viewing area on Doppler estimates showing us most of you picking up less than 1/4 of an inch of rain in that light blue zone. But there were pockets of more than that. Look at that near Ruckersville, northeast of there, picked up an isolated inch or so of rainfall. But most of you saw at least some rain, but there were areas to the south towards the James River and into Buckingham County that got little to no rainfall, also for Fluvanna and portions of Louisa County. Live radar coming back with showers moving away from Rockingham County and Harrisonburg into Page County as it dwindles north of the Culpeper vicinity. Now, I am tracking a low pressure area over the Ohio Valley, and we're still seeing showers and downpours over the capital city of West Virginia there in Charleston. Now, this system is weakening as it moves off to the east. So that means the risk for severe weather tomorrow is off to our east, more towards I-95 and more to the east, and that's where a localized damaging wind gusts could be possible. But for us, Futurecast is showing us quiet skies overnight, some patchy fog at daybreak, and a few low clouds. The longer we keep these clouds in place, well, the lower the temperature, and we may break that 17-day plus of 90-degree heat across Charlottesville, at least at the airport. But it does look like we're going to see largely dry skies through about Wednesday and Thursday, but the heat wave builds back in full force, well in the 90s as we go into Wednesday, Thursday, and then by Friday and next week, and here comes a front with perhaps a few heat-busting showers and thunderstorms, and by that time, we could use some more rainfall for our lawns and gardens. So overnight, a lingering shower that is going to move away, lows mainly in the 60s overnight into your Monday morning, some patchy fog. Now, I post 90 for the 18th day in a row in Charlottesville at the airport. If we get some extra clouds and maybe a shower, that will keep us in the upper 80s. Otherwise, 80s for the rest of the area for daytime highs. Michael and Son, 7-day forecast. 60s at night tomorrow night and Tuesday night. Low 90s Tuesday and dry. In the 90s Wednesday and Thursday and more humid. And a few splash and dash showers and storms scattered across the area with highs back in the 90s.